In this video, we are going to see our students' hands-on project on the Nimbus platform about autonomous AI-driven trading system. So this project helps the trader to understand and predict the costs of the trade, the costs of the shares, and when to sell, when not to sell. So this could be very helpful for the traders to decide based on the data which is available in the previous thing.
Hello everyone, today we are here to deliver a solution on the topic of AI-driven autonomous trading system. Before getting into this, let us imagine if I am in an earning stage, I need to invest my amount in a useful and efficient way. So I decided to do trading, but I am not aware of trading systems. So I conducted an empathy based on training systems. While gathering the insights from the user, I undergoes a lot of challenges they are facing, they may undergo challenges like they did not aware of stock market, and analytics may make a proper poor decision, and also they may uh, they may face an they may face unseen risk due to unrealistic data, uh, and they may lose opportunities when the stock price is low. These challenges are due to that stack which is used in previous or existing projects like arrays and heaps, which runs in a linear runtime more often, so that they can't receive the stock price immediately, and it works in a uh, not faster way, so that they may undergo these set of challenges. To overcome this, we are developing a sophisticated AI driven trading system, which uses algorithms like Monte Carlo algorithm, then heap sorry make segment tree and red black tree algorithms. Then over to Darshan.
So there are many algorithms for trading purposes. So here we are using Monte Carlo algorithm for fluctuation purpose. Here when the graph is high or low, it will give millions of outcomes. Based on that, it will generate a percentage where it is either loss or it is either profit. With that percentage, we can either sell or buy the stock market. So over to Anshali.
Here I'm going to explain about segment tree and how it plays a role in a trading system. Segment basically trading based on timing. If the time delays, it may be a loss or it may be a profit. But based on the time, the trading system will work. Here the segment tree works with it's like of binary tree where it is split into a terms and finally split into a single term. Segment tree plays by range. It fixes the range from, for example, if array element is 5, it fixes the element as 3 and 2 and split finally it make into one element, and it used to find the maximum element, minimum element, and average of the trade we are doing. It's especially work when the trader is not able to find how much for profit I will able to find and how much profit loss I will conclude by this trading. It will help and also it is a time consumption. By doing a segment tree in a DSA concept, it will help the user to minimize the time and efficiency of the project. Next, it's over to Devika.
When we plan to give an efficient solution which will process the data in an organized way to give a decision which works at a timely trading decisions. So we need to give the users first what will be the peak data and which will give them maximum profit. So we have built our data processing engine with 3 main algorithm, that is red black tree algorithm and segment tree algorithm, which mainly uses us to arrange the data in a range wise, that is minimum range and maximum range. Then finally the data will be arranged in the red black tree based on the priority of the rates. That is, the maximum rate will be at the node structure and remaining values will be arranged in a balanced way. Mainly, we are concentrating on these main algorithms to produce an optimistic solution, which will mainly provide us with the personalization, speed and accuracy of the data. To conclude about this project, our main target is to bring a solution which will work to give an analytic data in a personalized and accuracy manner. So we will proceed our work to produce this in an innovative way. Thank you.